Welcome back to making paper airplanes. And today we're making the Phoenix. The Phoenix is an unpredictable bird. It may loop upward or take a fiery dive. Throw it downward and watch it suddenly rise up. You can straighten out its flight by adding 1 or 2 paper clips to the nose. So to start, we want it in portrait mode, flying down. So our first step, like always, is fold the paper in half. We do this in a lot of other of our paper airplanes, and if you want to see those, they're pretty neat. I'll leave a link in the description. And then after that, we fold down both corners. Okay. And then after that, you see this kind of line that we made folding this down? We're going to fold like that. And then we're going to take this top corner and drag it down to here. So we end up getting kind of like a kind of hat. Have you ever made a boat sailor's hat out of paper? We'll leave a link in the description for that tutorial too. After that, we fold the plane in half like this. And then we don't fold like this, like our other paper airplanes. We fold out. And after that, you just kind of fold up the wings a little bit. Oh, I folded upside down. Oopsies. That's the Phoenix. Thanks for watching this, and if you want more of this, subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.